Before we jump into today's lesson, I want to share something truly remarkable with you. The entire video you're about to watch, every single word, every example, every explanation, was fully scripted by ChatGPT. That's right. I didn't write it, I didn't spend hours planning it, and I didn't brainstorm ideas. ChatGPT created the entire lesson, structured the content, and prepared it to teach you in the clearest and most engaging way possible. What's incredible about this is not just the convenience. It's how thoughtful and precise the AI script is. It organized the lesson so that it flows naturally, it included examples that make concepts easy to understand, and it even suggested phrasing and structure that keeps the viewer engaged from start to finish. Essentially, it turned a complex topic into something anyone can learn, without the need for manual planning or preparation. This video is a perfect demonstration of what AI can do. ChatGPT isn't just generating random text, it's capable of creating structured, coherent, and highly effective educational content. It understands context, it organizes ideas logically, and it communicates them in a way that feels human and approachable. That's the power you're seeing in action right now. I want you to notice that while this script was created by AI, the knowledge, clarity, and flow are all designed with you, the learner, in mind. You're not just watching a generic AI text. You're experiencing a fully crafted lesson designed to teach you effectively and efficiently, with examples, explanations, and structure that makes learning easy. And the best part? You're about to be guided through this lesson by your teacher, Mr. Tan, who will bring the AI-generated content to life, explain it in detail, and help you understand it step by step. So what you're about to watch is the perfect combination of AI-generated structure and human guidance, ensuring that you not only get the content, but also learn it in the most effective way. This is not just a demonstration of AI's capability, it's a glimpse into the future of learning and content creation. Imagine being able to generate full lessons, tutorials, scripts, or presentations in seconds, with a structure and clarity designed to teach effectively. That's exactly what ChatGPT has done for this lesson. So now that you understand the power behind this video and how this lesson was fully scripted by ChatGPT to give you the best learning experience, let's get started. Let's dive into the lesson, where Mr. Tan will be your teacher and guide you through every step of what you need to learn.
Hi, I'm Mr. Tan. Welcome to this lesson where I'm going to show you step by step how to create viral content using ChatGPT. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate hooks, scripts, visuals, captions, and even repurpose your content across multiple platforms. So let's dive right into the lesson. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and set up your workspace. Start by going to chatgpt.com. You can use the free version if you want, but if you have access to GPT-4 or GPT 5.1, your results will be sharper and more creative. Once you're inside, open a new chat and tell ChatGPT exactly who you are and what you want to achieve. This is called context priming, and it's essential for getting high-quality results. Here's an example prompt to type: "You are my viral content strategist. I create videos in the Chakek niche. Your job is to help me create scroll-stopping hooks and high-retention content. Make sure to fill in your niche: fitness, tech, beauty, motivation, finance, or anything else." This sets the AI up to understand your audience and the type of content you want to create. Step 2. Generate viral hooks, the most important part. Your hook is the very first sentence your viewers will hear. If your hook fails, the whole video struggles. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Generate 20 viral hooks under 7 seconds for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Make them curiosity-driven, emotional, and impossible to ignore. Within seconds, you'll get a list of hooks like, "You're doing it wrong. Let me show you the right way." The trick nobody talks about, but everybody needs. "If I had learned this earlier, my life would look completely different." Pick the one hook that resonates the most with your audience. This is what will grab attention immediately and keep viewers watching. Step 3. Turn the hook into a full script. Once you've chosen your hook, it's time to expand it into a full video script. Copy your hook and type, Turn this hook into a 45-second short-form video script. Make the tone engaging, fast-paced, and easy to follow. Include storytelling and a clear call to action. ChatGPT will automatically build the intro, build the middle explanation, build the final call to action, CTA. Just like that, your idea goes from a single hook to a complete, ready to record script. Step 4. Ask for visual and editing directions. This is gold. Most creators skip this step, and that's why their videos look flat. ChatGPT can actually suggest visuals, text overlays, and transitions to make your content much more professional. Prompt ChatGPT with, now give me 5 visual ideas, 3 transitions, and 4 text overlays I can use while recording this script. You'll get recommendations like zoom in on key phrases, fast B-roll clips showing examples, highlight keywords with bold text, quick cutscenes to build energy. Using these suggestions can elevate your video and make it feel cinematic, engaging, and polished. Step 5. Get captions, hashtags, and SEO optimized text. To complete your content package, ask ChatGPT. Write an attention-grabbing caption, a short YouTube description, and 10 niche-specific hashtags. This helps your content perform better on the algorithm, saves time, and ensures that your videos reach more people across multiple platforms. Step 6. Repurpose the content for every platform. One of the most powerful ways to use AI is to multiply your content. Tell ChatGPT, repurpose this script into a LinkedIn post, a Twitter thread, an Instagram carousel, a Facebook post, a blog style summary. Suddenly, one video idea turns into multiple pieces of content without extra work. You're no longer creating once, you're multiplying content for every platform. Step 7, optional. Let your AI clone record the video. This is where the magic happens. Once you have your script, you can either record it yourself or paste the script into your HeyGen avatar, just like the one you're watching now. Your AI clone can read the script, deliver it naturally, and save you a ton of time. This is perfect for anyone who wants to scale their content without recording themselves over and over again. Bonus, the viral content formula. Use this every time. Here's a proven 4-step formula you can reuse in every video. Hook, start with curiosity, a shocking fact, or a pain point. Value, teach one clear point that solves a problem. Proof, add examples, results, or visuals to support your point CTA. Call your audience to action. Follow, like, share, or watch the next video.